Lola is a business analyst in a world of vast data. She needs the right tools to understand and visualize that data to help her grow her company's business. Microsoft Power BI is the tool that makes this possible. With Microsoft Power BI, Lola can start with a blank canvas and pull from hundreds of data sources. Lola can bring big data into the equation from Spark and other third-party integrations and sort through the data using Excel. Excel has been a useful tool for analysts to track and interpret data for years. Now, business analysts can publish data and visuals from Excel to Power BI. Modeling and customizing her data has never been easier. Lola can begin her data preparation with a range of actions, including unpivot, filter, and column by example. With these tools, she can alter her data set to her specific preferences to highlight key insights. She can also create and manage her data relationships to develop visual models for her company to consume. These data flows can be managed and altered by Lola to illustrate specific business learnings. Once Lola has customized her preferences on the type of data she is analyzing, she can now create her own unique DAX expression to begin her data modeling. With quick measures, she can browse business fields, customize the type of calculation, and determine the base value for her custom data visualizations. With a wide range of pre-built visual interfaces, Lola can lay out her findings and visuals that read like a narrative. She has the ability to alter the color and theme of her report depending on her audience, and can customize how the report will be consumed on all devices, including mobile. To ensure her audience gets the most of her report, Lola can add buttons and Q&A to allow the consumption of her report to be interactive and a stepping stone into understanding the data. Now that Lola has customized her report, she can publish her Power BI dashboard for anyone to access and monitor the consumption from any device, anywhere. Finally, Microsoft Power BI allows data preparation for big data with data flows. Lola can add the machine learning model to incorporate AI, project, and create forecasts for the coming year. Go from data to insights in minutes. Any data, any way, anywhere. Business intelligence like never before.